Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you want to create a Fantasy Premier League draft, this video will guide you through the process. So you need to open the Fantasy Premier League application on your device, log into your specific account, and navigate to the Fantasy tab at the bottom of the screen, which is between latest and season. Once you're here, you need to go to the section of Leagues and Cups and select the Configure Leagues option with the gear icon. Now on the next screen, you'll see the Create a League option at the top, which is between Join a League and Renew Your Leagues. Go ahead and select it. Now you have two options for league types, which is Create a League in Cup, and another is Create Head-to-Head League. Choose the one you prefer. Then enter the name of the league. Also choose your scoring stats. Scroll down and select Create League option. Your draft league has now been successfully created and is listed right here. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again